Hello, welcome to another episode of More Photography. I am back at the west coast of Norway and today we are visiting a place called Herdla. It is a bird reservoir here outside Bergen, and I have one plan today, or one hope for today, and that is to get some pictures and videos of the Northern Lapwing called Vipa in Norwegian. It's a quite beautiful bird and it has a really unique sound as well it makes, so I'm hoping to record some of the sound as well as getting some nice pictures. So that is the plan today. I'm walking out to this reservoir now and yeah, cross fingers that we get some birds. Alright, hope you stay tuned and enjoy the episode. Already see what I think is oyster catchers and the Northern Lapwings. I think they're already feeding on the ground. It looks like it's mostly oyster catchers actually. But yeah, I'm gonna walk a little bit closer, have a look, and hopefully get something on video for you guys. Yeah, so the weather conditions are quite extreme here today. We do have sun, but we also have some clouds of rain coming as well. As you can see on here, it's starting to get gray on that side. But the wind is really strong. I'm guessing 10-15 meters a second. The wind. Yeah, something like that. But we're currently standing behind this kind of bird watching house. So we are sheltered from the wind right now. But if I just take my camera out here, you can hear. Yeah, so it's pretty strong wind, and if I also show you the kind of, if you can see it's pretty far away, but the fjord is all white. Pretty huge waves there as well. But we have spotted the Northern Lapwing. It's even rain coming right now, so I'll try to be quick. But we have spotted the Northern Lapwing, where he's got pictures of him feeding on the ground, but trying to get him in flight is kind of hard because it's so strong wind, so he just flies all over the place and it's really hard to keep him in the camera, so that is not good at all. But we're gonna stay a little bit longer, see if we can find something else as well, or try to get some better pictures of the Northern Lapwing. But for now I am quite happy because I had an episode over here where the Lapwing kind of moved closer and closer to me, so I got a lot of good pictures and videos, I think. So I'll share those ones, and yeah, hope you enjoy. started to hail. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, look at that. Oh. Suddenly a hailstorm came. So we're going into the bird shelter for bird watching tower to get some shelter. Oh, oh, oh. Woo. Yeah. That is quite windy as well. Holy. I don't know if you can see it, but here coming a lot of hail. Whoa, look at that. We're heading back to the car. I think we're happy for the day. It's so windy and so cold, so there's no point of us to continue being there. So we are ending it for today. So I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.